Every product made by Sleepm uses the highest quality materials. Welcome to Sleepm. Sleep better, live better.
Hi, Teresita. How are you?
I'm good.
I know you. You are very happy now. You have a very big testimony today.
Yes.
Thank you for sharing to us. What is your testimony today?
Well, like a few days ago, like was it Monday night, I start having my reflux episode. You know, heartburn, really severe, and I was enduring it for like 2 hours. So I did my usual treatment of ginger tea. It relieves. I get burp and pass gas, but it keeps coming back. You know, for 2 hours. Then I decided, oh gee, I forgot I have my abdominal pad. So I started putting my pad. And then watching TV. I was sitting in the couch and was watching TV. In 15 minutes, gee, my reflex is gone. It's totally gone. It just disappeared, you know. So I was kind of excited to share that, you know, it did really help me, and I can eat everything now again.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's very important you share this testimony because a lot of people have these problems.
Yes.
Me, inclusive me, before many months ago, and now no more I have this.
So I usually do the traditional, because I don't take medicine, the ginger tea. Yeah.
Yes.
Just plain water and the ginger powder, I just mix it. So I keep drinking it for 2 hours,
And nothing
so it
happens.
stopped. And then starting to, you know, have these waves again.
Oh my gosh.
And then I start to drink it again, you know. And then I said, gee, I have my crystals. I just had my crystals, you know.
And only
So
15 minutes.
I just put it in there. In 15 minutes, it's gone.
15 minutes
So
is
I'm able
incredible.
to sleep. So I sleep all, you know, all night now.
Yeah. Can you share in your language too, in Filipinos?
It's Leo Carrillo, and I have a young lady here named Juanita, and she has a fantastic testimony about our new eye mask. First of all, could you please tell me your full name, Juanita?
Okay, my name is Juanita Lozaria.
And could you please tell me what you told me a few minutes ago about your fantastic testimony, please?
Okay, I went to renew my driver's license, and they want me to read the eye test on the board, and the guy said, are you still wearing eyeglasses? And I said, no, I can read that without eyeglasses. So I read it very good, and they removed my restriction already.
Wow. And how many days were you wearing the eye mask?
Maybe about 3 to 4 days.
3 to 4 days. Unbelievable. Let's see the eye mask. Let me see. Why don't we show her the eye mask? Let's see here. There we go.
Thank you.
And so you're telling me that within 4 days of putting a mask on every night, it helped improve your eyesight, so you no longer have to use glasses on your driver's license.
Yes.
So do you recommend the eye mask, Juanita?
Oh yeah, 100%. I recommend to get this, to wear it every night.
Thank you so much for your time, Juanita.
How are you today?
I'm doing good, Pamela. How are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic. So you like the Sleepm topper? So what has happened for you since you've been using the topper?
Well, the first night was kind of revolutionary, really.
Okay.
And basically, it's the first time in spanning 2 centuries that I actually slept the whole night without getting up.
Okay.
Slept the whole night.
Wow.
You know, 8 hours. I usually get up at 5 o'clock, but I got up at 4 o'clock yesterday morning.
Okay.
And I can't believe how rejuvenated I felt, number one. Number two, I says, you know, I'm going to go back to sleep.
Okay.
So I did. I went back to sleep, woke up at 9 o'clock. So I slept again from 4 a.m. to 9 o'clock.
That's a lot.
I can do that really good. You give me a concrete floor and I can fall asleep on it. I'm really good with that. But more importantly, my feet had been turning gray, kind of like purplish between the toes and the foot. And I knew something wasn't right. I've noticed that my friends died of neuropathy. They died of poor circulation. Both of them were Vietnam vets, and they wouldn't have their feet amputated. Of course, nobody wants to have their feet amputated.
Of course.
But that was the solution, and they would. It was okay to cut their toes off, but they didn't want their foot cut off.
Okay.
So now I'm worried about in the last 2 months, I've been worried about my feet and the neuropathy. And now, as of today and yesterday, my feet are like normal. I can't, and I still have the tingly feeling.
Right.
Okay? But they don't hurt. And my leg doesn't hurt. My left leg really hurts from my foot to my knee. Really pain, a lot of pain.
Right,
I
right.
used to take medication for that, but I try to stay away from it. But now my leg doesn't hurt.
Okay.
And my feet are normal looking, although they do have a little bit of neuropathy syndrome in there, you know.
Do you feel like you're walking better as well?
Yeah, I'm walking better. Yeah, I'm walking better.
Well, that's fantastic.
So I got to get a couple more of those pads.
Suzanne, it's a pleasure today. You stay here in Sleepm.
Yes.
Welcome your family. I would like your testimony in English and in Philippines. Can you do that?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi, my name is Susan Castillo, and I'm interested in joining this company because Sleepm, nowadays it's so hard, to make money because of the pandemic that we are experiencing. But I was invited by Mr. Leo Carrillo, and I'm so I really appreciate what he did, because when I saw this company, I felt so comfortable, because I have criteria in joining company that it has everything on it, complete package. Number one is I like the management, I like the product that is so effective. People, my goal is really to help a lot of people.
Yes.
And this company really helps a lot of people, especially for some people who is in pain, who needs help, but this is like some people instant gratification of what they feel. But for me, my own experience, I last December 23rd last year, I fell, and 8 months I'm in therapy. I have meniscus on my right knee.
Wow.
So my son bought me two machines to help me, feel good, but still it keeps coming back. And then I have pain 3 months before I joined this company. I have 3 months pain at my left shoulder. It really so painful. I've been taking naproxen and all these herbs, that it's still coming back. But after using the pad, because I bought 3 centers with different products, the pad is very helpful. The pillow is very helpful, and the good thing with the pad is I can put everywhere in my body.
Mm-hmm.
I love it. So the first day I felt something. The second day, it's really good. Yeah, I keep doing it. But the third day, I stopped taking my medication.
Oh, wow.
I stopped because it really helps me. From that time on, when I signed up a week and a half ago, no more pain, no more taking naproxen. I'm sorry, but I have to tell the truth, and I really love it. Thank you.
And how you feel with your money? Now your money increase or no increase?
Oh, when I first started, I invited one of my top leader, and she doesn't want to come because she got migraine, right? And I said, perfect, I can help you. I can give you a free therapy. Can you please come? Oh, no, Susan, no. I've been through a lot. I cannot. I have migraine right now. And then she said, oh, can I call you and see if I can, change my appointment?
Mm-hmm.
5 minutes later, she called back and said, okay, I'm going with you. And then I let her lie down in the bed. And after like 20 minutes, she felt so good.
Wow.
And that's history. Right now, she keeps getting all these doctors, different people that she knows. And we're not, this company, it feels so good because, everybody who calls me, I'm just telling stories, and they're coming in, and they're the ones coming here.
Yes.
You know, I have some people in Northern California, they're traveling every week. And I hope everybody will see this company. My money, I got my check, and I still am getting my next check. Right now, I'm a 4-star.
Wow.
Going 1 week and a half.
Congratulations.
Yes.
It's amazing.
My goal is to get into like 6-star right away, and all my
Amen.
people follow the leader. I'm following what Leo is doing. And with your help, Laura, you are amazing upline and
thank you so
management. Everybody here is very helpful. I thank you so much, and please check this out. And with different nationality, we can help a lot of people. Thank you so much.
Amen.